An accused murderer back in court after a shakeup on his legal team. Today, the judge is reconsidering who will be on that team. Good evening, I'm Mallory Maddox.
And I'm John Nicely. Happening locally live at 5. Will murder suspect Anthony Garcia be allowed to keep his Illinois defense team? Garcia's trial was supposed to start today with jury selection. It didn't happen. Instead,
the judge heard arguments about why the MOTTA law firm should be kicked off the case. Don Grenice has been at the courthouse most of the day and continues our coverage live out there. Don?
John and Mallory, the judge has yet to file his decision. I actually just came from the county clerk's office. They say they've yet to receive any of the paperwork. The MOTTAs are usually leading the defense team, and today they barely said a word as a new team battled to keep them on the bench. County Attorney Don Klein kept quiet after Monday's hearing.
You heard what happened in court, so I'm not going to rehash it. So it's just, let's just let the judge make his ruling.
Defense attorneys kept quiet too. It made sense considering the issue at the heart of the case Monday is Klein's argument that too much already has been said publicly. He believes attorney Allison Motta has violated ethical standards. Tweets from Allison Motta's personal account are part of Klein's evidence, so are posts from the Motta's Facebook page and interviews Allison Motta gave to local reporters. In one with WOWT6 News, Motta insisted there's a link between two local murder cases.
I mean, we have always said that the Blanchard murder and the Dundee murders were done by the same person.
Motta says DNA evidence supports her conclusion.
It exonerates Anthony Garcia. When they look at the same DNA, they're going to realize that exists in their own numbers.
Klein insists it's absolutely not true and produced a DNA expert Monday to back him up. At one point, the judge himself called the Motta statements powerful and reckless. Yeah, Klein also mentioned that if he had said some of the things that the Mottas have in a public setting, he wouldn't be able to practice law in his position. Now, if the Mottas are out, it's unclear what this will do to the timetable of a trial that already has a history of being postponed. John and Mallory.
All right, thank you. That's Don Grenice reporting live tonight.